Cash App provides two distinct methods for transferring money from your Cash App balance to your bank account. Understanding these options will help you choose the right method for your needs. Standard transfers are completely free and typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. They use the ACH network, which is the same system banks use for routine transfers. Instant transfers are much faster, completing within minutes, but they come with a fee from 0.5% to 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents. Instant transfers use real-time payment networks like Visa Direct and MasterCard Send. These networks enable immediate processing but charge fees to cover the cost of faster service. To use either transfer method, you need a verified bank account linked to your Cash App, sufficient balance to cover the transfer amount, and completed account verification. Daily and weekly transfer limits may apply based on your verification level. As of 2024, Cash App has over 50 million active users, making it one of the leading peer-to-peer payment platforms in the United States. This popularity reflects users' trust in both transfer methods. Choosing between standard and instant transfers depends on your need for speed and willingness to pay fees. Standard transfers work well for routine transactions, while instant transfers are ideal when you need immediate access to your funds. When choosing between standard and instant transfers, your decision should be based on 3 key factors: urgency, cost sensitivity, and frequency of use. Let's analyze the real cost impact of your transfer choices. For someone making 10 transfers per month, the difference between standard and instant transfers can be significant. Let's examine how different users optimize their transfer strategies. A small business owner might use standard transfers for regular weekly deposits to save money, but switch to instant transfers for urgent business expenses. A college student takes a different approach, using standard transfers for routine transactions like rent payments, but keeping instant transfers available for true emergencies when immediate access to funds is critical. The future of Cash App transfers looks promising, with several innovations on the horizon. FedNow integration could enable real-time standard transfers, while tiered pricing might reward frequent users with better rates. To make the right choice for your situation, plan your transfers in advance when possible to take advantage of free standard transfers. Reserve instant transfers for genuine emergencies or time-sensitive opportunities. Monitor your transfer patterns monthly to optimize your strategy and minimize unnecessary fees.